Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Bitcoin to Coinbase Wallet step by step clearly. Open the Coinbase app on your device. Log in to your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Bitcoin from your list of assets. Tap on the Receive button. Copy your Coinbase wallet address displayed on the screen. Open the wallet or exchange where your Bitcoin is currently located. Select the option to send or transfer Bitcoin. Paste your Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Confirm the transaction. Check for any fees associated with the transfer. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer. Wait for the transaction to process. You can monitor the status of your transaction in the sending wallet. After a short while, open the Coinbase app. Navigate back to the Assets tab. Select Bitcoin again to see your updated balance. Your Bitcoin should now reflect in your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.